Hello my followers, this is Ford Kuga 2009. The customer complained that the car is not cranking. It's not cranking and it's not starting. So when they brought the car to us, we decided to plug a computer on it. And when we plugged a computer on it, it is giving us this Ford code U0100, which tells us that the car is not lost communication with the PCM or powertrain control module. The steering arm, that one is not important. Battery voltage low, that one is not important. So the most important fault here or code here is the lost communication with the PCM. So we have tried to control all the fuses, and the fuses are okay. We have done so many things. Even the fuse box here, we decided to change the fuse box, thinking that maybe the fuse box was the problem. But fortunately the fuse box wasn't the problem. So let me show you a couple of things that we discovered. We have already found what was the problem of the car. I just want to show you what was exactly the problem. Let me try to crank it so that you see how the car is behaving. It's a button, power button, you see. You see, when you crank it, you see how all those lights are flashing on the board. So let me show you exactly what was the problem. You can see here we have carried on some tests. We have checked this fuse line to see if current is lacking somewhere, and all the fuses are okay, same as we have done inside the car also. But when you crank the car directly from the starter motor, the car will crank, but with the key the car is not going. So this is what was the problem. I don't know if someone tried to disconnect this cable here, this switch here, and did not plug it normally as it's supposed to be. So when I came here, I wanted to remove this cable to check for corrosion, and I discovered that it was outside a little bit. It wasn't in. So when I push it in a little bit, I hear a click noise, and that is when I discovered that it wasn't connected properly. So when I put it properly now, let's go now and start the car and see how it's going to behave. You see now the car is cranking now. It's just the battery that is low. So yeah, the car is cranking now very well. So that was the problem. The cable was not properly pushed inside. So thanks for watching my video.